Okay, so hello. Today, my friend is going.
Me, that's me.
Yeah, my friend is going to. Well, has created a challenge for me, and he wants me to beat it. So, oh God, why is the starting money 257 and then?
I just did random numbers.
Okay, start off with a dot monkey and the wrong choice for start off. Oh my!
It's all camo regen.
Every single. You're mean. You're just mean.
But like Moabs aren't camo because that's not a thing that can happen.
You're still mean. Oh,
Yeah, it's great.
I've taken 200 health and just trying to.
That's why you have so many lives.
I see.
You
Well,
see what?
I see why your challenge is annoying. So you made this challenge
So I could get 50 free monkey money from the achievement.
and told me to get on that so you could torture me?
Yeah, torturing is good. Oh, it's not.
I damaged them and then they just all go back to blue.
Yeah,
Very quick shots, very
it's
quick
really annoying.
speed. I need a ninja. This is all about camo. I need ninja. If you don't kill
But
it,
you
they
also need to be able to pop a Moab, so that's kind of an issue.
I also need to stop losing a million lives. That's another thing.
That would help.
Yeah, that would help a little bit. Actually, yeah, okay, triple shot. That's actually gonna help a lot.
Do you have a triple shot camo?
Yeah. Yep, that's helping a lot more. Yep, let's get another triple shot with camo. That works. So I got 300 lives left. Is that good? Like, what am I gonna face up? Everything is camo regen. Why did you? Seriously, you made me get on, and you made me play this, so you could just torture me. Is that what you're
Yeah.
telling me?
Kind of telling yourself that, but yeah.
Well, so far now that I've learned that triple dots is OP, this mission's easy. This challenge is easy. Oh, I need a ninja. Is it gonna get harder? It's just normal ways except camo, right?
Yeah.
You must have spent so much work on this.
No. It took me like 5 minutes.
Middle camo?
Oh, yeah, that's why I got Juggernaut when I did it.
Oh.
Because the normal metal round is now metal camo.
Oh man, that's painful. Oh, that took so much health. I need money now. I need an alchemist.
Also, it says Benjamin is the only hero you can use, but I didn't use Benjamin, so.
I can use PSI, so.
No, I didn't use any hero, so.
Oh yeah.
Just saying it's possible with no hero.
I mean, I have drone operator. Let's get that.
Yeah, well, I mean, he gives everyone camo eventually.
Yeah, he's not gonna get that high enough level, and I don't even have him down yet. Why did I get stronger acid? Ugh. Quick sell. Now let's quick place. Upgrade. Faster. Oh, don't. Okay, ninja. We need more defense. We're at 38 HP.
Oh, that's bad. I didn't get that low.
Well, I forgot about middle combo. Middle. You know.
Yeah. I
This
just always go Juggernaut because I like Juggernaut. So
this sniper monkey is not at all for camo. He's literally just for the Moab. Should I get main Moab or should I won't have enough, so I should get semi-automatic. Oh, now the pink Russian and the green camo is just old camo. This is like, yeah, okay, yeah, take down the middle camo. Take down the middle camo. Good, 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 good. Semi-automatic. Now I need full auto rifle. I'm probably not going to be able to afford that. Use your camo popping middle abilities now. Okay, I'm not gonna die. I'm just gonna take. I'm gonna die. I died. The stupid middle. I forgot about the middle. Ah. You know what? I'm gonna do it again. This time I can't tank as many health. I'm not gonna use an instant monkey. That'd just be a waste of time.
oh, I should have turned off powers.
Be a waste of an instant monkey.
Yeah, it's not worth it. Just pretend powers was turned off.
Yep, have no powers. Ha ha ha. Funny. I hate you. You turned off my powers. Is this just a full green rush? That's just pain. I need to get my ninja
Oh yeah, at the
down.
start you just watch as everything goes and kills you. By the way, if you ever play X Factor, I'm learning that Juggernaut is OP in the middle spot.
Okay.
So I'm doing easy, and it's just annihilating everything.
Oh man,
This is what I do while you suffer.
I need to get ninja discipline. Ninja discipline, fast shooting. Now should I get sharper? Yeah, let's get sharp shurikens and then seeking. Oh man.
You need Juggernaut, dude.
No, Juggernaut's bad. I'm gonna get Alchemist.
Alchemist that can't pop camo.
An Alchemist that can help. Stop bullying him. He doesn't
Pop
deserve it.
camo.
Nobody cares if he can't pop camo. I'm gonna get this guy to double shot, then I'm gonna get the Alchemist. Man, why did you make such a horrible challenge?
I beat it first try. Just,
Well, that's
just
because I
shows
did.
you
I
how
forgot about.
skilled I am.
No, that's because you actually created it, and I forgot about the middle. If I'd remembered about the middle, I would have been fine.
Excuses.
Shut your butt cheek. Yeah, we got the acid mix. Woo! Now we need to actually beat a Moab. Woo!
Happy.
I don't want to be happy. I want to be sad.
By the way, there's a daily challenge thing that gives you like a free tier 3.
Ooh. See if it,
Insta Monkey, and it's super easy. It says just a Moab, and all you need to do is get the top path Sniper Monkey to deadly precision, then faster firing, and then spam even faster firing so you can get it as soon as possible.
okay. You hear that, folks? If you're listening today or maybe a bit tomorrow, then you can get a free tier 3. Seems pretty easy. I'm not focusing on the camos. I'm focusing on getting a semi-automatic sniper rifle.
Does it have camo?
No.
You made an oopsie.
No, it's for the Moab. If I don't have it, I'm probably gonna die. How much health does the Moab take from you?
A lot. Like, I don't know. But a lot. You probably can't tank it. How much lives do you have?
500.
Oh, maybe.
Or
It
450.
could be close.
450. Let's get.
Or you could just pop it down to the ceramics
Oh man, this guy
and
doesn't
hope
have.
for the best.
That guy doesn't have camo yet. Why did I get it? Oh, I'm getting rushed. More ninjas, more ninjas. How did I lose? I died. You know what? I'm gonna give it a like
Well,
and give up. If you wanna try this man's challenge to see if you can beat it, then the code is on screen and will be in description. Right now, bruh, your challenge is so hard that it'll make balloons crash.
like and subscribe if you can beat the challenge.
Yeah, like and subscribe if you can beat the challenge. Bye.